Many of us create multiple windows during an interactive jump work session, and working in this floating window mode is very common. However, there are situations where having a tabbed interface is preferred. We may also want to associate certain files with an analysis project and not have the full list afforded by the home window. JMP projects provide a single document interface with a tabbed, reconfigurable workspace to bookmark files and easily navigate various open windows like data tables and scripts. A JMP project also launches supporting files like PDFs and PowerPoint documents. Projects can be used to quickly open and close many files associated with one or more individual analysis activities, and can be used to keep parallel projects separate, eliminating the need to run multiple JMP sessions. JMP projects are created from the File menu, then New Project. The creation of a new project will immediately open an unsaved project in which to add JMP windows and files, making it easy to create temporary projects. The project file itself is a standalone file, which points to other items on your hard drive. As a result, this affords the flexibility and organizational discipline of a container-based project, while at the same time keeping the files available to be found on your local drive for other applications. The JMP project interface includes three major sections: the bookmark list, the window list, and the workspace. The bookmark list links to physical files that you want to associate with the project. Basically, this is a curated list from the home window. Bookmarks can be links to individual files, links to folders, and groups, providing local organization specific to files in the project without affecting the folder structure of the files on your local drive. The Windows list is a hierarchical list of open data tables and reports and graphs associated with the data table. And finally, the workspace is a tabbed list of windows, including scripts, graphs, model output, and data tables currently open in memory. The layout can be arranged from a single column of tabs similar to a web browser, or arranged into columns of tab list. The layout is persisted when a project is opened and stored when it is closed. Again, a JMP project can be created from the File menu, then New Project. I hope you found this video useful, and I encourage you to use JMP projects in an upcoming analysis.